Forget everything you thought you knew about electric supercars. Lotus just dropped a concept car that literally pulses against your body to tell you when to turn. This is the Theory one, and it's absolutely wild. Picture this: you're sitting dead center in a 3-seater hypercar, McLaren F1-style, with 986 horses ready to launch you from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. But here's the crazy part: the seats are alive. Lotus partnered with Motorskins to create soft robotic fabric with inflatable pods that communicate through your body. Left turn ahead, you'll feel it tap your left side. The car is literally talking to you through touch. And those doors? They swing up and back in this beautiful saluting motion engineered for tight spaces. Because when you're building a 198-mile-per-hour hypercar, apparently parallel parking still matters. Inside, the 3D printed headrests double as personalized speakers. LED and laser components guide you without pulling your eyes off the road. Nvidia-powered computing handles real-time suspension adjustments and autonomous driving hardware. Everything is designed to keep you connected to pure driving. Now here's what blows my mind. This entire car uses only 10 materials. 10. Most cars use around 100. We're talking recycled carbon fiber, cellulose-based glass fiber, titanium, and even gold-tinted recycled aluminum, nodding to their legendary Formula One heritage. The laser wire headlights? Less than a millimeter thick. The whole body is wrapped in recycled glazing so you can see straight through to the mechanics and passengers inside. Lotus kept it light too, under 3,527 pounds, by making the battery and motors stress-bearing, ditching the subframe completely. Classic Colin Chapman philosophy executed for the electric age. The 70 kilowatt-hour battery delivers 250 miles of range, which is genuinely impressive for a hypercar this light and powerful. Will you ever buy one? Probably not this exact car, but Lotus confirmed a production version is coming before 2027 as the Type 135. If even half this tech makes it to production, we're in for something absolutely special. The Theory One isn't just a concept. It's Lotus showing us the future of intelligent performance, and honestly, it looks incredible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.